Imagine you are in Vienna in the late 1700s, trying to find a stranger. Your clue is the Golden Eagle. You find 6 houses with that name downtown, and more in the suburbs. Here's the answer. A house number lets an outsider find the same household twice. But Vienna's first system will break, and one surviving entrance will show its old number beneath the newer one. The Habsburg rulers face your problem across a large territory. In 1770, they order officials to count people for a new military recruitment system. The officials must record who lives in each house. Then they must find those people again. Recruitment drives the count. The same system could also help with tax and police work. The question is simple. Can an official return to the same household without asking a local? Now teams have to test the plan through Vienna, one house at a time. In this reconstruction, you walk beside civilian and military officials carrying printed forms. At each house, they list the residents, assign the next number, and paint it outside. The Golden Eagle keeps its name, but its new mark points to one entry in the register. This is not yet a street address. The number belongs to one long sequence for the city or its district. Now jump ahead a month. In this reconstruction, you return carrying only the form. Its number takes you back to the same wall without first finding a local guide. Within a few years, more than 1 million houses across Habsburg lands carry these marks. The system passes its first test. But in Vienna, even one new house can make the simple sequence break. Imagine a reconstructed lane with houses 38, 39, and 40. Under Vienna's 1777 rule, a new house receives the next free higher number without regard to the order on the street. Suppose the next number is 900. The new house rises between 39 and 40. Now 39, 900, and 40 stand side by side. That high number can reflect when the new house entered this particular sequence, not where you should walk. House 899 may be far away. As Vienna adds and combines buildings, the numbers become harder to follow. Vienna responds by renumbering the houses, but every reset makes older directions stale. One property became number 784 in the 1795 count, then number 738 in the 1821 count. Same house, new official clue. To guide you through a growing city, the address needs to tell you where to walk. From 1860 to 1863, Vienna changes to a street-by-street system. Every street starts its own sequence. Odd numbers run along one side. Even numbers run along the other. Crews finish installing the new plates in 1863. Imagine looking for number 24. The street name gets you to the right street. You stay on the even side and follow the rising numbers. A change on one street no longer forces Vienna's other streets into the same citywide sequence. Now the address itself gives you a route. Street, side, and number lead you to one house. That is the system you recognize today. Yet Vienna leaves a piece of the failed system in view. At Ballgasse 8, stop and look up. 2 official numbers remain on the same facade. The lower mark, 1343, tied this house to the conscription register in 1772. Above it sits number 8, assigned under street numbering rules adopted in 1862. One entrance, 2 versions of the city. 1343 helped officials identify a household inside a vast sequence. Ballgasse 8 tells anyone where to find the house. You began with 6 golden eagles and guesswork. You end with 1 street, 1 side, and 1 house. The old answer is still on the wall beneath the one you use today.